Welcome to another episode of Wiki Bearings. He's an expert in not only in spherical roller bearings, but in bearing application. With me, I have Mr. Andre, which is the Amaro Technical Support Engineer for NTN Middle East.
Thank you, Mr. Hassanein.
Usually we call the SRB or spherical roller bearings are known for heavy industry. What are the most common applications in the industry?
Geometry in the bearing has been optimized.
So it is a massive improvement.
This will determine the identity of the bearing. It's like a man.
In this episode, if you are looking and working in the heavy industry, crusher, cement, mining, this episode is for you.
Only half degrees. That's what benefit is that?
Andre, welcome to the show.